Right, the door is done. We are trying to wrap the Audi S4 with no experience. And from the last video until now, we've completed around 60-70% of the wrap of the car. But today, we're going to complete the Audi S4 wrap. Let's do this. As you guys will remember that we purchased the Audi S4 from auction for £3,500 blindly. To which we repaired the rear end with the donor car, then installed a new flywheel and clutch after breaking the last one, then starting the first mod wrapping the Audi S4, which was very challenging. But in today's video, we are hoping to complete it all. So we're going to start off by wrap the roof first. This is the biggest panel on the entire car, so we can't afford to waste any wrap. Finally, we have to do the spoiler, boot lid left to do, and the rear bumper. And you guys were right, we're doing the door handles yellow, we're not going to leave it black. We've already messed up. So basically, look what we just did. We made a hole in the roof of the rack. How are we gonna get it done? We laid down the half corner. We tried to heat it up and the heat gun just did this. Oh no! Boys, you know what that means? We can't use this wrap for the roof. But it's all good though, because what we're going to do is we're going to cut it into pieces and use it to complete the other parts of the car. We're making a mistake into a good mistake. Don't wrap your car, guys. This is what we cut from the roof. We applied it on the boot lid to save the wrap. Let's see if we can get this done. We don't want to waste any more wrap after our mistakes from the last video, guys. We're still going to use this for the front bumper and the other panels. You're probably thinking, why have we stretched it back up again? Everybody in the wrapping community, they always do the boot lid in two pieces. Why? So the wrap can't be stretched into the number plate recess area because there'll be a lot of discoloration, it could rip. It's because one goes right here. I put a knifeless cut that goes all across here, and then this is the second piece. So then when they come to put it in the number plate recess area, it will fit perfectly without stretching or discoloration. So we learnt, even though we've failed so many times of wrapping this car, it's not easy, but we've learnt so much valuable information. So let's get cracking on with the job, guys. Although the Audi S4 is all coming together, we have ran to a certain problem. The Audi S4 is suffering from rust. Both sides, you can see that it's rusting away on all the wings. It's starting to bubble up. So this one needs sanding down. We can't wrap over the rust. So what we're gonna have to do is get those sorted. So we sand it down, you can see the rust all across each bubble. Catch it, kill it, bin it. Now we sanded down the rust, it's now time to apply rust treatment. We can't apply putty, primer and spray without applying rust treatment because it turns the rust part of the metal, it prolongs the life of the metal. So that's what we need to do, and it's a must thing to do. So let's do it, guys. We're gonna leave that to dry for 15 minutes. It should turn blue or black. That means it's a good job. If it doesn't turn blue or black, then it's not a good job. Let's hope it turns blue. Whilst we're leaving that to dry, we're going to start on the passenger side wing. I'm going to start the same process with that. The metal has completely come off from here to here. So now what we're going to do is apply a mesh that's going to go across there, right there. So you guys will see there was like a hole in between the wing. So now what we're going to do is apply putty across that and be nice and strong. And that rust is all cut out. So that is pretty good, guys. Now that arch is done, we can now complete the other side of the arch. Is ready for paint. It took a bit of a while. It took us probably that best part of 2 hours, but it was really important that we did it. So when it comes to wrapping the car, there'll be no issues. It'll be airtight. say no to rust. By means I'm not no mechanic, no body shop person. This is all first time and I've never ever done it before. But let's give it a try and see how it goes. Right then guys, so basically we're going to apply a grey primer, then an exact colour match for the car in case if somebody wants to take the wrap off, it's still going to be original black colour as the car, and then we're going to apply lacquer. We're getting there slowly but surely. This is now the final coat. Now it's time to apply the lacquer. Let's get this job completed so we can start wrapping the car. And that's that done. So we're gonna let it dry and I'll show you how it looks like. Look at that reflection, guys. You can see me. Look at that job. I am so stoked, guys. We pulled it off. And we're gonna let it to dry completely in 24 hours. We're gonna move on to the rear bumper. That's the only part left that we can sand down and respray. And of course guys, we can't wrap the rear bumper with all this defect showing in the previous damage. So what we're going to have to do is sand it all down and then put putty and then make it smooth. So when we do apply the wrap, there's no defects showing. I can't wait to see how this Audi S4 is going to look at the end of the video, so stay tuned because we're going to complete this whole car and get it out the unit because it's been in the unit for almost a month, and then we're going to get it out and get some wicked cinematics before and after. We're now in the last stretches of wrapping the Audi S4.
Your turn.
Hey. Let's keep it going, guys. Wow, just like that, the rear bumper. It's not fully completed yet, but that is looking sick, guys. Oh my god, that is crazy. Look at that. Oh my god. Yo, that is looking so sick. Apart from the front bumper, the last bit is the roof. And guys, it's probably the evening right now. We're gonna finish off the next day, but in this video, we're gonna finish off this car and we're gonna drive it out.
Brother, what's that?
We've done now. I'm lost for words. And I just can't believe we finally did it. Big thanks to all those that helped do the wrap because it's not an easy job and you can't do a roof by yourself. Have a few friends next to you. It's time to do the front bumper, complete the wrap of the full car before we start cutting and doing the finishing touches. Because let's face it, the finishing touches is the most important part of wrapping the car. That's what we are trying to aim for when completing the job. Perfect. Right, we're now at the final stretches of wrapping the Audi S4. We've only got the front bumper left. Let's see if we can get this done today. So it's very important that we also get the washer caps from the front bumper, so when we do wrap the bumper, we can wrap this individually and then wrap the bumper so it's a nice clean cut. The professionals cut around it, but we're not confident, but we want to do it this way. Maybe a bit longer, but we're done properly. Took these fog lights out so we can change the light bulb and get xenons or LEDs from eBay and put them on there so it's a lot more brighter. Right guys, you all know the process. We've been wrapping for the past, I'd say, a whole month. But we're just gonna get the bumper done for you guys right now. And just like that, the wrap is on the bumper, but it's not fully completed because it's not as easy as we thought it would be. Now what we gotta do is basically finalize underneath the bumper, the top of the bumper, do a nice cut, perfect, and then we can put everything back together. I thought the bumper would be a lot easier to wrap, but clearly it's not easy as you think. The top bit is quite easy, but the bottom bit, there's that many wrinkles, you wouldn't be able to get it all out, but we're trying to get the job done. That's what counts in this video, because we are not gonna stop and upload this video, this S4 not being completed. Yeah. Perfect. No! Oh man! Oh, we've really fudged it now, haven't we? Not too bad. Guys, this is looking absolutely amazing. Guys, look at that grille right now. Happy S4 right there. Obviously, we haven't touched that bit. Obviously, you see that we broke off super glue on there. And it's pretty good if you go back and forth. We've still got the bottom end to finish off. Obviously, it's a complete finish. Look what we did together. Me and the co-pilot got the job done. I can't even explain the feeling right now. But the car's going to be coming out after 30 days and it's going to be looking like a completely different Audi S4. Countless nights, blood, sweat and tears. Second time now, let's not break this one. There you go, did it. Put one side in first and then you won't break it. Job done. It looks unreal right now. It honestly looks like it's a car that just comes straight out of the dealership. Look at that light there and that light there. It just looks like it's like a cartoon. Wrapped it inside the wing, wrapped it inside the bumper. So that is just crazy, guys. 30 days this Audi S4 has been parked inside this unit collecting dust and just wrapping it here and there. And now we were finally about to get it out the unit. I think it's this way. Wow. Look at that. Wait a minute, I forgot to put the headlight on the grills. Jeez. Let's find out if this fog light was worth changing, guys. Wow! That is crazy, guys. Ta-da! this is what we've achieved, and I can't believe how sick it looks. Used to be black and now it's bumblebee yellow. Now that the wrap is almost complete, we're also going to be modernising the Audi S4, which includes the ambient lighting. We're also going to be installing a modernised stereo, which includes Apple Play. The headliner is going to have Alcantara suede fitted. Starlights, that's going to be fitted onto the car, because that's something that we always wanted to do, and something on an A-van. It's just going to make this car very special and one of a kind, and that is something that we're trying to do with this Audi S4. Not that many B6 S4s in the UK looking like this. I feel like we just want to go above and beyond with this build, and if there's anything that you guys want to recommend, feel free to drop a comment down below and we'll just throw it onto this Audi S4. And again, we will be raffling this Audi S4 for one of you lucky winners. We just want to install as much mods as we can. We're also going to be deleting the rear wiper, try and make this S4 very special. Before I close the video, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. So stay tuned guys, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for the next video by hitting that bell notification. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace. Vivuni have given us a discount code called Hoodstick10 right here. For every purchase you will get 12% off. The website is right here, www.revuni.com. I'll leave the link in the description down below. You can see for yourself the different type of wraps they provide.